Here's the front of our house, Sam. I just took my mom down to my sister's a couple hours ago. When I came back, the driveway was a blacktop. You can see it's all covered with snow now. There's the house, and here's the lamp post. Let's see. And here's a view around. But as we get closer and closer, there's a blacktop. There it is. There's the blacktop down there. And we had some gold bells by our address that are now getting covered with snow and just a little decorative light. And then we wind our way around up to the back, which now I think we'll see less and less snow because it won't be illuminated. But it's just wild back there with snow and blowing, and finally the safety of our get out of the wind and snow and the safety of our front door. We'll say goodbye to the snowstorm for tonight.